Udah.
Ayo, Gi.
Host, aksesin dulu dong. Ada yang masuk.
Wah, Iqbal di
Sugi
podcast.
ada yang mau masuk katanya.
Mantap, Iqbal diundang podcast. Diana jadi ibu peri.
Dedi Darko. Kan gue jadi malaikat. Oh, ikut Dedi Darko.
Kok nggak ada yang maju?
Bukan, Bunga. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Diana Tiara, and this meeting I will review about anime. The title is Girlfriend Baby Sister or School Baby Sisters. The story is about two young brothers. The name is
Iya direkam ya.
Taro and Osima Reichi. Bunga, please next. Next lagi, next. These two brothers end up losing their parents in a plane crash and are sent to live with the chairwoman of a high school. The reason being is that her son and daughter-in-law were also inside plane crash and felt like it was necessary to take these two into her home. Bunga. Of course, the catch is for Yuichi to live in the house. In the house, he must become part of the babysitter club in his high school. So basically, the babysitter is club where the teachers leave their young kids who are not able to attend pre or elementary school yet. Next, Bunga. Next lagi. Okay. It's actually a pretty cool thing because it shows a development of Ryuichi being accustomed to high school life and Kotaro breaking up his highness being surrounded by kids his age and not being with his brother constantly. Bunga, next. Along the way, we get some awesome characters introduced in the show. Of course, we get the kids in the club, but we also get to meet the person in charge of the club when Ryuichi is in class, the kids' parents, and Ryuichi classmates as well. The development and story over time in this series was really well done. Next. Sorry. At times, you find yourself holding back tears, and other times, you find yourself looking for certain characters to come over their fear of doing something. For example, just playing with the children. Next. Next lagi aja, next. Next, Bunga. The art and animation were not anything special, not worth doing in this word sense. There's no action or over-the-top scans. Considering this was a more relaxing anime, the animation didn't have to be top tier to enjoy. The sound was pretty average as well. I enjoyed the ending more than this opening, but that's not okay. The characters were super enjoyable, from the teachers down to the Ryuichi's classmates. This was one awesome cast of characters. Even the kids were super enjoyable. When it comes to the high school kids, you could really relate to most of them, especially if you have young siblings, or even issues when it comes to handling small children. Next. Next. I was constantly comparing myself to Inomata. You see this girl, the name is uh, Inomata Maria. Next. Um, while she enjoyed buying with the children, it was hard for her to control them or even understand them without making them cry or be hurt in the end. Next. Next. Next saja. However, every time she was able to better herself while spending more time with Ryuichi and the kids. So, this is the end of my presentation. I really recommend you this anime because this is so fun and enjoyable. And if you have any question, you can ask me.
No, Tian, there is no question.
Okay, thanks.
Ini itu presentasi.
Ayo, siapa lagi yang belum sama sekali?
Leni.
Aku ya,
Iya,
bentar,
yang
bentar.
belum sama sekali.
Aduh, Len, cepet
Gi,
dong, Len. Aduh,
mulai
Len.
Gi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Now I will review about the film Splash Splash Love. Splash Splash Love is a romantic comedy film. Splash Splash Love tells the story of Jang Danbi who does not like match. Bunga next. But one rainy day, he was thrown into the Jason era, and what could save his life from Fishman was mathematics. Danby is described as a student who does not pass all the university entrance tests. The only hope remains the test. But on the day of the test, she was so scared to face in that she finally ran away and arrived at the playground. Next. It was raining hard when Danby looked down at the puddle of water. Slowly, the shadow in the puddle changed out the curiosity. Danby tried to dip a foot in there. It turned out to be broken inside. At first, Danby was scared, but because she really wanted to go far away, she finally dared to jump into the puddle. Next. And she arrived in the Jason era, just when the elders and kings were having a ceremony to ask for rain because it has been their years of the drought. Due to language misunderstanding, when Denby said she was Gosam, which means student, it turned out that in the Jason era, Gosam means a student who was castrated. So she was mistaken for a boy because he concerned effort. She was chased and will be punished. Next. This king believed that mathematics and natural science would be the solution for this country. This new talk was opposed by conventional elders. Denby was captured by the king's loyal guards and brought directly to the king for fear of being punished. Denby admits he mathematics. Fortunately, the problem the king is trying to solve is Pythagoras, and then B can solve it in a few seconds. These abilities amazed the king and asked Danby to teach him mathematics. Next. Danby also does not admit to being a Greek because he feels much safer disguising himself in the world. Danby meets Queen next. Bunga next. Danby meets Queen Sohun, the king's official consort, who looks like her best friend in the future. At first, the queen did not really like Danby, especially when he saw the king and Danby being very intimate. But because of Danby's outgoing and friendly nature, they become friends. When the queen found out that Danby was a woman, the queen himself went to her mother-in-law and asked the Danby met the main concubines. Next. And the king was very happy when he heard this, but Danby refused. She did not want to be the king's, and in the end, the rainy session failed finally. Danby went back to the future accompanied by the king. The king was very sad because he said aloud his love, but Danby had to keep returning to the future for the sake of her mother and her dreams. Udah. Okay, I
Ada yang
think
maju lagi
enough.
nggak?
Any question?
Sabar. Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Dengar nggak suaraku?
Kedengeran.
Kedengeran.
Oh ya. Okay, my name is Fadilah Ningrum. I will review about A Little Princess. Next, Bunga.
A Little Prince.
A Little Princess tells about a little girl named Sarah who lives with her father, an English military officer who at first lived happily in India. Next, Bunga. But because the father had to go to the front line in war in France, Sarah was instructed in a child seminary in New York. It's like the Sarah's story in the seminary, which is the main part of this film. Sarah's adaptation with her new environment, especially with the owner of the Cholas Seminary, his relationship with his class, friendship with Becky, a janitor boy, his inner strength while in their worst condition after his father was declared dead on the battlefield until he strangled to be pro of injustice. Everything was illustrated very well in this film. Next. Sarah became a motivator for her classmates. Initially, he just told them about the epic of Ramayana, who was obtained during India. But then, the class story through a way of speaking, Sarah was able to have a positive influence on some of his friends. Next, Bunga. Sarah's treatment to the people around him did not discriminate. What is your skin color? What you have makes him special in his sensitive to his environment. Very touching when Sarah gave the only bird that she had for a small church flower sale in the market. Next, Bunga. But nothing is perfect for Ken. Even though Sarah was extraordinary, she remains human as a normal little girl who could be sad, depressed, and desperate. My favorite Ken was Ken Sarah's father reportedly did and Sarah had to stay in her loft, changing status a cleaner because there was no more fund to finance his school. Sarah, who was strong and careful, finally had to wear dress when she realized that she had to almost everything. Okay, I think enough. That's all for review. Any question?
No, no question.
Yeah.